The M51 Whirlpool Galaxy, also known as the Milky Wave Galaxy, is a spectacular spiral galaxy located in the constellation Canes Venatici. This galaxy is famous for its beautiful spiral structure, which is the result of a collision between two galaxies. This collision has created a cosmic tornado effect that is truly awe-inspiring. In this video, we will take a close-up look at the M51 Galaxy and explore its unique characteristics. We will dive into the details of the collision that created its spiral structure and discuss the impact it has on the galaxy. We will also explore the galaxy's core, where a massive black hole resides, and its bright and active star-forming regions. Join us as we journey to the heart of the Milky Wave and uncover the secrets of the M51 Whirlpool Galaxy.